Welcome to our True Suite room types here at our True Newcastle Opto property. Now, however this might be our starting point, so it might be one of the smaller rooms we have on offer here, you still get all the fantastic facilities that obviously the true student experience would provide you. What that basically means is you still get your amazing kitchenette space. So the kitchens are always the same size no matter what room type you're in. Plus, you're part of the award-winning True Student Experience. So with that, you will get to use all our amazing communal spaces and you will still get to live as a true student. So whilst we're here, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about your kitchen space. So you have a 2-ring induction hob, and underneath is your oven, microwave and grill combination, so great for cooking your food. And above here you have your extractor fan as well, so great to use and suck out all those lovely cooking smells whilst you're cooking. You've got so much storage for all your bits and bobs, like up here we've got some pans, just there, I'll be able to show you there. You've got a sink with a side drainer. You have a kettle and a toaster that come as standard in our rooms, and under here you have your fully integrated fridge freezer. Then in addition to that, you even get more storage space to the side here with this really large cupboard. So walking further into the room, you will see that you have a nice full length mirror. Great to make sure you're looking good before you leave to university in the morning. And walking further in, you get to your full size double wardrobe. Great if you've got loads of clothes and you plan on bringing them all with you. You have a large shelf to the top, a rail to the middle, and then more shelves down at the bottom as well. And then walking into this space, you now come into the main living area of your room. So you can see your bed here, which is a really comfortable mattress, and you even get underbed storage. Great to hide away your suitcases and big boxes. Plus, you also have charging points and a light switch that controls the lights to your room by your bed. So great if you've got into bed and you need to switch off your lights. Then on this side, you can see that you have your desk. So when you're staying with us, studying is going to be pretty important. So you've got a lovely desk space and a nice study area within your room to do that. You've got a comfortable study chair. Plus, you also have your fully included smart TV.